You have definitely seen these types of AI influencers on Instagram theme pages, and to tell you, the guys behind these theme pages are making thousands of dollars every month, and besides that, you may be wondering how you can make AI story videos with consistent characters, because having consistent characters can help you build a brand identity and get easily noticed in the ocean of competition. So today I will teach you how you can make your own unique AI influencer from scratch, and I will also tell you how you can make consistent character images for any niche you are working in. So don't skip any part of this video, because you won't find a video like this across whole YouTube. But before starting, let's do the giveaway I promised in my previous video. So first, we will copy the link of our previous video, and now we will head to YouTube Random Comment Picker. So we will paste our video link here, and let's fetch our giveaway winner. Hold tight, guys, because things are gonna get dirty. So here it is. Congratulations. Kitty Joy, you are the lucky winner of V-Sub Premium account, worth $100. Provide me your email in the comments of this video so I can contact you. And the rest of you guys, don't feel sad, I will continue these types of giveaways. So let's get back to the topic. The tool we have today is named APOB. The interface is just like Leonardo AI. There are tons of super realistic images on the home page. These are the creations of other people. So to get started, click on Create Portrait Model and first type the name you want to give to your model. Now there are two options. You can either generate multiple variations of your character or build your own unique model. First, we will build our own unique model. So click on this option. Now guys, here is the most interesting part. You can customize each and every little thing of your model, whether it is AI influencer or a character for your AI videos. You can select the gender of your model as well as the age of your model. Then you can select the country of your model. I will select American. Then there is option to select the eyes of your character, hairstyle, hair color, face shape, and then dimples at the end. You can take your time and do all the basic stuff. I will just do some basic selections, but you can take your time. Then simply click on generate, and APOB will then analyze your details, and then it will simply start generating your AI model. It will take a few seconds, so just sit tight, because what's about to happen next will shock you. And here he is, our AI model. You see how handsome our guy is, and there is no mistake in hands or face of our model. It's super realistic, just like he is a real human. Then click on this button to make variations of this AI model. Then click on Create Your Image Model Now. Then on this page, you can do everything with your model that you can imagine. There are many options on the side. We will come on each step by step. First, there is an option to select your image art style. For now, we will select realistic art style. Then if you scroll down a little bit, you will find architecture option. You can simply choose specific type of architecture you want in your image. Then from this landscape option, you can select the location where you want your character to be. Isn't it a great feature? Now you can even customize the age of your character, which is very important in making professional AI videos. We will come on that topic in a moment. Then you can simply select the clothing of your character, as I am personally addicted with suits, so I will select it. Then lastly, you can select the weather from this section. I will simply select dusk. And then you can select your image ratio from here. Now you can even generate your image. But if you come to the second option, you can completely customize your model with each and every little thing. This option is just like the previous one. The only difference is that it is detailed and has a lot of styles that you can choose in case you are not satisfied with the settings in the first option. Then in expert part, you can type your prompt, just like we write a prompt in Leonardo or any other text to image tool, in case you don't want to use the first two options and you want to give your own commands. From here, you can further tell APOB more about your needs, like choosing the background, setting the plot of your image, and telling something specific about your character and the type of dress he is wearing. Then simply click on Generate, and it will start analyzing your requirements, and then it will start making your images. Just like before, again, it will take some time, so just hold on for a little bit, and here are images. You see how great they are. APOB has literally recreated our original model into different scenarios. This is exactly something one would need to run a faceless Instagram AI influencer page, which is currently trending on Instagram. You can also choose female model if you want to. Then simply click on this HD icon to upscale your image into HD, and then the quality of your image will be enhanced, and then click on this download icon to download your images. Now let's talk about how you can generate consistent characters for your AI story videos like the one I teach. You can either follow the same steps as before and make a unique character for yourself, or in my case, I already have an AI character, so I will simply upload it from here. Then just give your character a name, just like before, and just click on this Create Your Model option, and then again, the same procedure will come. You can simply choose your image style and remaining requirements as per your need, just like we did before. And then, in the expert option, just write your complete prompt in detail, just like you would write in Leonardo or any other tool, and then simply select select your image ratio and click on Generate. Guess you will have to wait for a little while again for the images to be ready. You can clearly see that our created character is exactly the same as our original character, the image. Quality might be low, so click on HD icon to turn image into high quality and then simply download your image. Here, check out the images. Once again, see how consistent they are. This tool is perfect choice for generating consistent characters. Then there is one other feature I want to introduce to you. This is Video Face Swap feature. You can simply upload a video that you want to face swap your character with and just generate. It will automatically swap the original face of the person in the video with your AI character, which is very fun thing, and the final video will be so funny. Let's head to the next feature, which is Image Face Swap. Just like before, we will upload a simple image and then we will just generate our image, and it will then take some time and our final image will look like this. Pretty good enough if you are making funny content. Then comes the last option, which is by far my favorite, which is image to video option. You can upload your own image or simply select an image from your creations or from the community. Let's pick an image and let's generate it then. And here is the final image to video. I also did some more generations. You can look at all of them. If you give this tool enough time, just imagine how great content you can make. Feel free to explore APOB because they offer a free plan where you get 80 credits every day. They also provide some other amazing plans with very decent pricing. I am myself using one of their pro plans, and it seems to be more than enough to cover all of my needs. Link to APOB will be in the description. Go through my link and use the code Proven to get a good discount.